Welcome, everyone, to another riveting episode of English Pod. Today, we're diving into a topic that might make you go, weddings? Really? But trust me, there's so much more to it than meets the eye. Think rich vocabulary and layers of cultural significance that accompany the big day.
Ooh, weddings. So, I've been to a couple, but what's all the fuss? I mean, it's just a ceremony, right? Laughs.
Not quite. Weddings embody love, commitment, and let's face it, a lot of organization. Picture this. You have the bride and groom, the couple at the center of it all.
That makes sense. So, what if the bride's super into something quirky, like unicorns? Can she have a unicorn-themed wedding? That would be so wild.
Absolutely. Weddings are a canvas for personal expression. I recall attending a wedding themed around a retro carnival, complete with cotton candy, games, and even a merry-go-round. Talk about unique.
Whoa, that sounds like a blast. So, what comes next in terms of wedding themes? Is there a typical progression?
Great question. Next up, let's discuss wedding ceremonies themselves. Picture this. There's someone incredulously wondering how Anthony is actually going to tie the knot after living with his parents for 4 decades. Can you imagine that?
Haha. That's, too relatable. My cousin's 30 and still living with mom. Family gatherings can get pretty wild with all the teasing.
Exactly. Cultural expectations vary widely. In some places, staying at home longer is totally normal, while in others, you're expected to fly the nest right after school.
Yeah. So what, topics do people usually chat about during weddings?
Food. It's arguably the star of any wedding reception. Imagine a feast that makes guests bond over a shared experience. It's a great way to leave a memorable impression.
Right. Food is key. I once had this, epic taco bar at a friend's wedding. Have you ever experienced anything like that?
Taco bar? Now that's a winner. I remember a wedding with a gourmet buffet featuring carved roast and exotic desserts. It was mind-blowing.
Oh, wow. I'm, getting hungry just thinking about it. So, right, what about some, common phrases tied to weddings?
Great observation. One popular phrase is, "It's about time," which captures that relief when someone finally ties the knot. It's quite fitting, wouldn't you say?
That's, funny. It really fits so many situations in life. Like, have you ever said, "It's about time," when your friend finally adopted a puppy? Laughs.
You got it. And here's another word for you, aisle. Quote, "That's the walkway in a wedding venue where everyone gathers, particularly in a church." Fun fact, in some cultures, brides walk down the aisle blindfolded.
No way. That's, intriguing. What is that supposed to symbolize?
It symbolizes trust and the idea that love is blind. It's a lovely tradition. And we can't forget about bridesmaids. They're the bride's closest pals, all decked out on her special day.
Ooh, bridesmaids. So, do they all have to wear the same dress? Some of those choices can be quite, hilarious.
Traditionally, yes. But nowadays, many brides allow for a mix of styles to reflect each bridesmaid's personality. And how adorable is the flower girl? Picture her tossing petals down the aisle.
Oh, so cute. And, what about the ring bearer? Do they have a job too? Laughs.
Absolutely. The ring bearer is often a young boy carrying the wedding bands. What a sweet role. Weddings are filled with such charm. And speaking of charm, gorgeous comes to mind. It means very beautiful.
Wow, I'm learning so much. So a wedding is really like a Celebration of love, food, and friendship all rolled into one, huh?
Nailed it! And there are countless layers to weddings, encompassing family traditions and the occasional mishap. We want to hear about your unique wedding customs, listeners.
Yes, that would be, fantastic. Like, what other crazy customs are out there? I'm totally intrigued.
Exactly. So, everyone, be sure to visit our website and share your wild wedding experiences with us. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, goodbye.
Bye! I can't, wait to hear all the funny wedding stories. Laughs.